Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai teman-teman, kembali lagi di Indonesia. Indonesia is enriched with such a large number of delightful natures, from the end of west to the end of east, beginning from a line of mountains, islands, oceans, lakes, and many more. So many different cultures, ethnics, languages, traditional foods, and religions. In Indonesia, you'll find a lot of mosques, but you'll also find a lot of Christian churches, pura, and vihara for a Hindu and Buddha to pray. And I'm pretty sure you didn't expect that would happen in Indonesia. So many different types of religion are living next to each other in peace. We live together in harmony. We need tolerance. No religion is better than another religion. We are just different. I live in the Islamic boarding school with a lot of people of different cultural backgrounds. However, we are so happy that we can learn about each other's cultural background. We study together, cook together, eat together, we do everything together. Those who never cooked before were able to cook, who had always been alone, now feel so happy with friends at Islamic boarding. Here, we learn to love the environment around us. We mind each other, make each other happy, and enjoy the universe. Realize God's pleasure and give thanks. We can feel a variety of feelings, points of view, and correct mistakes with help of others. In the Islamic boarding, we learn to live a simple life, eat a simple food, read tiba together, salawat, tahlil, and reciting Al-Quran. Be grateful we can live side by side with good people. May we always live together in peace.